This is the promo discount. When you use my link, you will see this, and the total you see now is reduced. Just below this video in the comment section, you can find my referral link, and also in the description when you come, you will find the link. Make sure you're using the link, and I'll tell you the reason why. This is the direct website ownr.co, and you will come to this page. When you use my referral link, you see here, you get discount automatically at the time of the checkout. And why would you not want that? Even if you don't see the page showing discount, you don't have to worry. If you come to this page, you can go ahead and do the registration part. Once you complete all the steps at the time of checkout, you will see the discount being applied. And for some reason you don't see that, you have used my referral link, please reach out to me. I'll make sure that your discount is applied. Once you are on this page, click next, select incorporation, and then I want named company. My company will be called. So you'll have to enter your company name, and then from this drop down, select anyone which you want. I will keep it at Inc. Now the company name must be unique and must contain distinctive element and a descriptive element. So example is given here, Rhino Sandwiches Inc. So basically name and what the business is about, and then followed by Inc. is shown here. As I said, from this drop down, you will choose what you want. So my company is Cypher 40 Consulting Inc. I have entered this. Once we go in, we will see if there is any change to be made. We can make that later on also. You will get this green tick as confirmed, which means it satisfies all legal requirement and has passed preliminary name search test. Click next, and here you will create an account, your name, email, password, you will confirm the password, and once everything is done, you will go and sign up. I already have a login account, so let me log into that and I will show you the dashboard which is pre-filled. Once you come to this page, here everything I have pre-filled. In your case, you'll have to fill in this information, account information, till you do the final review. So basically the contact detail has your phone number and your address, and then you also select I'm a Canadian resident. If you don't know who Canadian resident is, you can go and find more information here. Now click next. You come to the company detail. Here again, the address will show up from what you had entered earlier. And then my company will operate in. Here it shows consulting and business service for my business and the industry. You have to choose the closest one from this drop down. What is your industry? And once that is done, company's fiscal year I have kept as December. So this follows January to December cycle. And then click next, where we come to the name confirmation here. Because initially everything was meeting, it shows as requirement met. Click next. Director, company ownership, here a single entity. So I've shown myself. You have with others as an option. So once the selection is made, click next. Single person entity, so director name reflects again here. I'm not going in to this drop down. The address information what was filled is what is reflecting here. Once you do this, you'll get to know. You also have option to add new director here. Then click next. Again, officer, it's a mandatory requirement for the signing authority. The name reflects same, and requirement meets. You have option to add new positions, add president here, and then click next. I have kept it as it is. Shareholder, 100% ownership, and then it meets the requirement. Click next. You come to the choose your subscription plan. Here, depending on what you choose, you will see the total. Right now it shows $399 for the basic plan, where you get this first year subscription for free. This is online minute book plan. And in managed corporation, you will get to see what all options are here, going through these two options. And depending on what you select, come down. I'm selecting this as a plan. You go through the verification, where you have to give one of your government approved ID. Either it is driving license, passport, or permanent resident card. This you have to do from your phone, where you will scan the QR code what you will get and upload your document. Once it goes through, you continue, and then you come to this page. You will see the total, where it also has this RBC bank account instant off for opening RBC business bank account. This is the promo discount. when you use my link, you will see this, and the total you see now is reduced. And once you enter your credit card detail, you have to use your credit card. The reason being that once everything goes through, you have your incorporation, you have to open your business bank account within 60 days of payment. If not, then your credit card will get charged this $300 later. You can read it here, what is given. So once everything is done, you have done the payment, you go ahead with the name reservation, do a final review and submit. From there on, Ownr will take on. They will get the documentation done for you. They'll inform you about your incorporation. And as a next step, call up CRA to get your business number. Once you have your business number and the incorporation document, congratulations, you are now incorporated